Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about a brush and wiping technique when it comes to applying wood stain. All right, the traditional way to apply stain when you're staining an item is to buy the proper stain. Make sure you mix up the container because the resins can go at the bottom. And then you're going to use a brush to apply that stain and get it as evenly as possible on the surface of the wood you want to cover. Then from there, take a clean, dust-free rag after a few minutes and wipe the stain away. You'll see that when you do that, you'll see the richness of the wood comes out. Now, depending on the depth of color you want, you may put another coat, even a third coat on. It's all based on your preference. Just keep in mind that you want to allow the coats of stain to dry before you put the second coat on. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations on the can of stain that you're using. And one other tip, with those rags that you're using to wipe things off, make sure you put them in a bucket of water because they can spontaneously combust if you were to put them in a garbage can without first being wet. Coming up next, my video on the wiping technique when it comes to staining.